Shocking crime details from Zimbabwe Republic Police. Police are investigating a road traffic accident which occurred at the 23 km Pegalong Bulawayo Bite Bridge Road on 29 July at about 1130 hours. A motorist who was driving a Honda Fit tried to overtake a Ford Ranger vehicle while there was an oncoming Volvo bus, resulting in the collision of the three vehicles. 4 people, including the Honda Fit driver, died while 2 others were seriously injured as a result of the accident. The ZRP reiterates that motorists must stop after accidents, render assistance to the injured persons and report all accidents to the police. On 29 July, at around 1800 hours, a man aged year-old was fatally hit by an unknown motorist who was driving an unidentified vehicle along Art Burney Road, in Mbeere. The motorist did not stop after the accident. In a similar case which occurred on 27 July, along Sinkamaswi Mahangola Road, Sunyet, another man was struck by an unknown motorist and died on the spot. Investigations are underway. Police in Glendale are investigating circumstances surrounding a suspected murder case in which a body of a 33-year-old male adult was found lying on the roadside, with bruises and blood stains on the mouth, on 29 July. The ZRP is investigating the theft of 13 COVID-19 vaccination cards and $35 at a nurse's house at Nyamaruru Clinic, Madziwa on 28 July. More details to follow. Police in Rafangora are investigating a murder case which occurred at Mvirachania Farm on 25th, in which the victim was struck once on the head after he confronted the 2 suspects who were stealing maize in a maize field. The victim sustained serious head injuries and was referred to Bangkok Hospital where he later succumbed to the injuries on 27 July. Police in Karoi have arrested Garand Langton aged 27 years for a case of armed robbery which occurred in Ridings Farm, Karoi, on 27 July. The suspect together with his 2 accomplices who are still at large, offered a lift to 3 women in their Toyota Mark X vehicle on the pretext that they were going to Chirandu, at Gazebo Bar. Upon reaching 209 km Pegalong Harare Chirandu Road the driver stopped the vehicle and the other suspects produced an unidentified firearm and a knife while demanding cash from the complainants. The trio robbed the complainants of cash amounting to $2,990, ZWL $800, cell phones and other valuables before dumping them in a bushy area in Meganj. The ZRP urges members of the public to secure their firearms. This follows a theft of a firearm case which occurred in Tengway on 24 July where a man aged 60 years handed his 12-bore shotgun to one of his employees to guard a maize field. The employee fell asleep and an unknown suspect stole the firearm from him. Investigations are underway. On 27 July police in Mwanezi arrested a man aged 30 years for smuggling various goods and groceries into the country. The suspect was intercepted at a traffic checkpoint along Masvingo Bite Bridge Road, while driving a Nissan Caravan vehicle laden with the smuggled goods.